All right, everyone. I think we are live. Yeah, we are live. Perfect. Should be all good. Wait a minute. Let me just quickly fix this. Done. Okay. Yeah, we are live. That is amazing. Hi, guys. Whoever can, yeah, whoever is here, please say hi. I will have to trim this stream later on. All right. Let me quickly start off with what we're going to do today. I hope you guys can hear me well. If you guys cannot hear me, please let me know. Whoever is here, they can come and say hi. Um, Let me see. I am at the right point. Yeah, all good. All right, let's start. Cool. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm also gonna record and make sure that it goes on YouTube as a video. All right. Hi everyone. Today our target is to just make sure whatever we are building in Context Pilot, and we have to reach to a certain goal, and that's what I'm gonna try. I'll give you some context around what is Context Pilot. Funny that I said that, but what I'm trying to build is essentially just a plugin that will help you get the most relevant files for the given file or given line of code or given multiple lines of code, right? So a lot of times it happens that you have multiple lines of code and you want, okay, what is the most relevant file that I can look at to understand what is the context in this current file, right? Not always does it mean that you need to go to the references and try to search about it. So that's what we're going to do. I will not talk a lot about it because we have been doing it for so long. And I would prefer that we keep it short in terms of introduction. I'll link a video where I've talked more about it. For now, let's go and try to implement. And I'm gonna play some songs in the background. You will not be able to hear it, but I'll be listening to songs as well, just to keep myself focused. But let me know if any of you have queries. I'll be looking at the chat as well. All right, so where are we? I think, okay. Let me quickly open the GitHub of this. Okay. So this is the new Vim plugin. I'm not really interested in this one. Yeah, I'm interested in this one. So we merged a pull request, DB sharing from live stream. This is where we are at, I think. Okay. Yeah, we were implementing this, right? Let's work on this. Okay. Perfect. So what I'm gonna do is FCB. We don't have. Um, and Vim SRC. No, actually, wait a minute. Why is it not working? FCB. It's FCB. It's not there. Okay, I need to update my ZShell config later on. For now, let's do this live. Okay. Just making sure it's updated. Hello, Saurabh. Hi, Al. What's up? Oh, they've nice. I don't think Australia is gonna win today. But let's see. Thank you so much for joining, Saurabh. What's up? How are you? Uh, all right. So where are we at? Right. Ah, I think I'm doing something wrong with my Moonlander. Did I change? Did I change anything? Oryx. Yes. Allow me to just quickly check my config for my keyboard. I think this is the latest version. This is alt, which should be. Yeah, I think I should have fixed this as well. These are what I want is alt, right? So let me quickly modify my keyboard as well. So what I really want is that, okay. Yeah, I'm kind of surprised I haven't modified this. So this should be alt I want because I will like this to be alt. Left alt is fine. Thank you so much, sir. This is left alt. I want two alts. This is fine. I would love this to be. Now I'm kind of thinking about it. Yeah, I would love, no, this to be, sorry. I think this should be Windows. This should be mapped to Windows key. Okay, right Windows works. I don't think I have a criteria over there. And this, I would love this to be control. Yeah, I think this is control is fine here. The only problem over here is that I would expect this to be alt, really. Okay, yeah, actually, you know what? Yeah, let me fix this. This is left Windows or right Windows, whatever. This is alt. Okay, thank you so much. Left alt, and this is left control. So this is fine as well. This is fine. This is fine. I don't think I have any more complaints over there. I can just clear this out. This is fine. Yeah. And this I'm still thinking what I want this to be, but for now this is all good. All right, everyone. This is good. Okay, let me quickly wrap this up. Okay, I'm gonna compile this and get it there. Okay, save to my keyboard. That's all I need to do. I need to take a pen. I need to connect my keyboard. Done. And there we go. Yeah, done. Flashing firmware. I was using Keychron just now, but I don't know. I feel very efficient with my Moonlander nowadays. I don't type that fast, but I think I'm still okay in terms of speed. We can try that live, and if you guys want to see my speed, we can test it out. But anyways, okay, this is done. All right, I'm gonna wait for it. Okay, awesome. This is done. If you want, we can quickly check. Let's just take 15 seconds for now. Nation know all people, then it never over go nation into take also world most any work life you after he's ouch state face. I lost it there. About over might need word other. Okay, yeah, not bad. Still 102. I was at 99 before. Okay, this is fine. All right, so where are we right now? Okay. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. This is working fine. Can I please resize this somewhere around this? I would like. Okay. No, then just okay. So where are we at right now? We are having a struct DB. I'm just trying to remind myself where we are. So we have DB file path. Init DB is something DB file path needs to have. And DB file name. Okay. So this is, oh, this is db.rs. It's not db new. Yeah, okay. Now this is something that I would love to read about. Right, so what are we doing? We have an index, we have a folder path, we have current lines. Okay, then we have mapping file name and we have current data, right? So this is like something, what is this for, right? Let's kind of just remind ourselves. Okay, this is for storing which file is in which folder or file, right? So this is a to-do that I need to find. Okay. Or you know what, I can just do this. Yeah. What about this? Current lines, right? So it's probably the number of. Okay, I need to figure out like this is current folder path that this DB is processing, or the binary is done. Yeah. Index is the line of code that you are at right now. This is also to do, I will call it. Okay. There are few things that we have to clarify. Current data is the data that we have from the loaded DB into our in-house member. Yeah. So basically, we are loading the data. We're keeping it in current data, and then we are out. We're trying to find the corresponding line in that, right? Something like that. Okay. Well, that makes sense. Okay. Guys, I hope you guys can hear me properly. If not, please do let me know. Add a log that DB doesn't exist. Yeah, this is something to do. I'll also enable logging into a logging file and ensure it's in a DB. What we're doing, we have the conf DB folder. So we get a DB folder. Where are we at? Context palette DB, right? Okay, makes sense. Then what we're doing, we're getting the home folder. We're getting the folder path. Failed to determine the home directory. Okay, folder path, we get it from there. And then what do we have? We have index equal to 0, current lines equal to 0. So this is like when you initialize a DB, right? Now initialize create dir all folder path. Unable to create folder for this cell.folder path. Just in case, like this is like when the child folders are also not present. We just want to iteratively create all folders. Find index current file path, right? So what are we doing here when we are doing find index, right? So we go to the current file path and then we try to find if there's the, so what does it do? Find index. It looks for mapping. Okay, yeah. So basically mapping is always, so in each folder, we will have a mapping file, which contains which file name corresponds to which DB file. Is it? Mapping data, mapping file path. What's the data you're expecting? String, hash map, string u. Okay. And this is gonna index. Which index to be used in the DB file? I think that's what it does. Okay, one more thing I would love. Just give me 1 second, guys. Okay, I just forgot to do one thing. I think I will have to just quickly shift this. Cool. Sorry for the trouble. You know what? Actually, modify layout. You know what? One thing we should do is, I want the colors of all the other. This color should not glow, right? This should be white. I want the color for, particularly for this. I think I want something like this, and I want this as well. This, right? So this is much better. That, yeah, I also for this, right? Cool. All right, this is done, and now we can get back to work. Okay, I'll quickly save to my keyboard. Okay, just waiting for the flashing firmware thing. I'll drink some water until then. Yeah. All right, this is done. Let's get back to work. Yeah, much better. Yep, I love this. Okay, so where are we at right now? Okay, what happened, sir? What happened? Okay. Okay. Yeah, something went wrong there. Okay. All right. So what do we want to do? So here you see, right, searching for the file index. So the way this is organized right now, what we do is, whatever the index we get, we just go, for example, db file index dot JSON, for example, right? So the file name will be something like this. So when we get a valid index, we find the valid index. This is a pointer. Okay, then we get format, okay, the folder path and slash okay index. Okay, we are not doing db as a prefix, which is fine for now. Then we do db file path. This is what we get. And if it's doesn't exist, couldn't create the file is, yeah, okay, so we are creating it here. Interesting. Because over here this is not something that you're creating, right? Couldn't create the file. Okay, no, I don't think this will ever, couldn't find the file. It's more like, right? And we can just have file db file, right? Okay, yeah, this is what I want. But this is all in the initdb, is it? Yeah. What you would like to make sure is that initially this find index, if it's not there, okay, let me get rid of Steam as well in case anyone invites. Are I think because of, oh, okay, I see what's happening. Okay, let it be. It's okay. So, or I can actually go to Task Manager. Where's Steam? Cool. I guess this is done. Yeah. So where are we? Mapping JSON, right? So when we do this mapping data star, expect unable to deserialize the mapping file. We need to initialize the mapping file as well, right? And if we don't find it, this is something we should do in the, okay, we'll see. I don't think we should do it because initially index should always be 0. I agree, which is fine. This is fine, right? So if we don't get a valid index, right? So yeah, this is fine. I think, yeah, we'll just write test for it later on, but this looks fine to me, to be honest. Okay, this is fine. Right, let's just test it if it's working or not, right? Let's take one step at a time. One thing I would like to do is look at the usage, right? Which is main.rs, I think. db new, yeah, here, yeah, this thing, right? So what is, okay, so many things to fix. Yeah, this is not what I want, right? So I can probably go back. Yeah. db new db, right? What is there? Has no field db file name. Author db path. What does it take? Index init db. I want init db. I don't think I want to initialize it anyways. Probably only one thing I will need is, no, I don't think I need this. Okay, let me actually comment this out. How am I using it, right? So I'm just initializing it later on. So auth, I think we should just need one db here, right? And I can do db new db db I don't want to pass anything. I can just do default. Need to fix the spelling mistake, sorry. Okay, yeah, okay, this is done, sorry. Okay, yeah, over here now I can just rename this. Okay, my bad. For some reason the LSP is okay. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done with this. I need to switch. I need to fix this immediately. I can't develop like this. What's your problem? Tell me. Where are you? Okay. Is it working? Yeah, it's working. Okay. This is. I can just rename it with what? DB object. Yeah. And over here as well, I can do probably again DB object. I think I need this. Yeah. I don't want these to be separate, right? And all it needs is current file path. What does the current file path mean, right? So Am I even using current file path? So okay, I'm trying to find the okay. So it's more like what's the current file where you are at right now? Args.file. Yeah, args.file. What's the error now? Expected star found. Okay, this is Nesta. Okay, this is done. Let's see. Okay, what do we have? Let's look at initdb. Everything is fine. Let's look at the no diagnostics found, no method for exist and return. This is what algo.loc.rs, right? These are all algo.loc. DB object, right? Get contextual authors and all these will never work. How about this that I never call this for now? Okay, so one thing we can do, but I don't think this will ever compile. Yeah, it should not compile. Yeah. How about this? Just make sure no method name exists in return. Yeah, I'll have to implement all these, right? So, okay. But I want to go forward one by one. So I'm just gonna get rid of algo loc as a module for now that I'm using. So anything that is calling this contextual authors will go away. This will go away as well. This will go away as well. Right, and I can go here. This is gonna go away. This is gonna go away. Yeah, I'll not be using any of these for now. And what I just want to see is whether this is working or not. Println initialized for author. I don't think we need anything separate, to be honest here. So I can just have okay, no, I think the way match will work, we'll need this. Okay, and initialize for file. Okay, let's go. Cargo build release. Could not compile. 3 previous warnings. Get. Okay, there are few errors there, here and there. Okay, move problems. All right. Okay, let's look at db underscore new. Okay, what are the problems, sir? Cannot move folder path. Okay. Yeah, pass the reference here. ld more of okay, mapping file path. Same thing, I guess. What's the problem here? Local variable mapping JSON. What's wrong? Okay, yeah, okay, you're passing option and you're then doing that. Okay, let value equal to, can I just value here and probably do sum? Okay, no, it's already running that, right? Sorry. Mapping JSON dot get current file path. Yeah, mapping JSON is borrowed here. No, this is not what I like. No, reference to an option is not a good idea. What's the solution? That you're okay? Okay, what's the solution? No code actions, right? And I want to, okay, how about this? Right, and what I do is let match, or let's do this, right? If let object, if let will work here. Expected enum found this inside this dot copied. Is this what you mean? No, right? What does it do really, by the way? This does fix it, but I'm very curious. Okay, no, I don't want to do. Yeah, okay. I want to see what copy does. Maps an option ampersand. Okay, by copying the content. So it's copying the content to get the ownership, is it? Okay. A valid index was the problem here. It cannot be different. Oh yeah, now it's not. Yeah. What's the unused return? Okay, remove return. Okay. Expect fun call. Use of expect followed by function call. Try this. Okay. I'll do all this later. This is okay. Nothing. Are there any diagnostics? Okay. Nothing else, right? What about the? Okay. This all is nothing. Cool. Anyways, let's try to build this now. Yeah, it's building. Let me do this again with release. Yeah. Dot. Okay. One thing I'll do is context palette DB. Okay. That's one thing we have done here. All right. So let's now initialize this now and see what does it do. Cargo. Oh no, sorry. Dot target release context palette. Okay. It needs a file. I'll give it a main.rs -e10 -t file. Okay, how about this? It does. Yeah, okay. Could not pass. Okay, sorry guys, there was some connection error. But anyways, so where were we? So in 86 line, right? So when we are trying to read the file, mapping file path, unable to read the file path. Yeah, so here it says, right? No such file or directory. We should not really, if mapping file path dot exists. No, sorry. We need to create a path object. Mapping file path dot exists. Right, and here what we can do is we can mapping file doesn't exist yet. We'll create one when the index is 0. Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll create a hash map new, and I'll do data dot. Okay, I also need to give it the data type, right? What's the DB type here? Hash map string type mapping DB type hash map string hash map. This one should be what? It should just contain a usize, right? So let's go here. Let's see. Mapping data. Mapping DB type. And I can do is data dot insert. Right? And what I want is the file path should be current file path. Right? I can do index to 0. Cool. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry. Cool, this is done. Now, what I want is this should return sum of 0. Right? Let me quickly delete that folder again. What does it contain though? It's empty, right? So I can just get rid of this folder and cargo build release. Yeah, there you go. Initialize. So for awesome, this is good. So if you see, we have got 0. Oh no, this is not what we want. We did not create a mapping.json file, right? Yeah, this is bad. So we will have to create path new. Okay, let's get this path somewhere. mapping path object. Okay, and let's do this here, mapping path. Okay, sorry. What I will do here is I'll create this file, right? So how do I write this to the file? Right, where am I doing right? Are you right? Yeah, this thing. Right, where am I doing? What is control here? Yeah. Okay, so over here, what I need to do is this is output string already, right? All I need to do is mapping path object, comma, okay, just placeholder. What's the string data dot to? Can I do something like? I'll have to check this thing. Expect couldn't write a very simple data object into a new file. Okay. All right. Yeah, this will not work because data is not a string. Cannot write into path. Okay. What's file object here? File create. Oh, I need to do file create. Mapping path file. Let हाय यार हाय ताची जो से कोडिंग आ रही है नॉडी को हाँ यार आज आई थॉट फ्राइडे को कुछ तो करना चाहिए तो आई थॉट कि वर्क लेट्स जस्ट मेक यूज़ ऑफ इट थोड़ा एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है आई थिंक stored collections hash map doesn't implement. Yeah, okay, I need to. Yep, this is bad, right? How do I convert this into a string? That's a question. Or I can just have this as string here. Honestly speaking, I don't even need to. फ्राइडे को बेड पे लेट के सो जाना रहता. यस सर. होपफुली वन डे जब ये सब हो जाएगा तो मस्त सोया जाएगा. अभी के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि कुछ हो सके तो. कैसे हो यार? हाउ आर यू ब्रो? सॉरी आई बीन नॉट इन टच बहुत टाइम से. बट हम खेले थे. व्हेन डिड वी प्ले यार? आई फॉरगॉट. ये करंट फाइल पाथ पास कर लेता हूँ बस. ओपन सोर्स कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं कर रहे. हैक्टोबर फेस्ट में बिलीव नहीं करता यार. आई थिंक इट्स मतलब ऑनेस्टली पता नहीं. आई थिंक थिंग्स हैव गॉटन बेटर. पहले तो बहुत स्पैम करते थे लोग जस्ट टू गेट अ टी शर्ट एंड ऑल. बट अभी के लिए तो नहीं कर रहा मैं. आई थिंक आई एम ओके अभी ऐसा. मे बी मतलब मैं किया नहीं यार कभी वो. पता नहीं. आई एम अ वियर्ड पर्सन ब्रो. लेट इट बी. बट हाँ तुम कर रहे हो. आर यू डूइंग इट? मैं कर रहा आज तक कभी नहीं किया. बहुत अच्छे यार. करो करो. आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड लर्निंग कर्व. डिपेंड्स यार. मतलब देखो एज लॉन्ग एज यू डोंट जस्ट डू इट फॉर योर टी शर्ट वाला स्टफ विच आई एम टोटली अगेंस्ट की यू नो just for that is bad. But of course one of the reasons could be that क्योंकि who doesn't want what an output from something they do, right? तो as long as you have a good intention कि growth के लिए करना है तो please go ahead and do it. बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है. Like I think we should have more of that sort. कुछ तो करो करो लगे रहो. पता नहीं क्या है बार बार ये. आई एम oh god, I just closed that what I wanted. It's crazy. इसको क्लोज करना है राइट मुझे. मेरे पास लीड कोड की मेरी अच्छा टी शर्ट है इनफ फ्लेक्स टू डू. ओके वाओ. मुझसे लीड कोड नहीं हो पाया यार. आई थिंक आई स्टार्ट डूइंग लीड कोड ऑनलाइन बहुत जल्दी. लाइक इट्स नॉट लाइक मुझसे इंटरव्यूज में नहीं हो पाता, इट्स जस्ट लाइक कि आई डोंट फाइंड इनफ टाइम या फिर मोटिवेशन टू डू इट एवरी डे, क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स ऑफिस का भी काम रहता है एंड यू हैव टू वर्क एंड देन यू हैव टू स्पेंड टाइम विद योरसेल्फ एंड देन उसके बाद प्रोजेक्ट्स भी करने हैं. सो it's a balance I'm trying to create abhi and I'm not able to do it, to be honest. So huge respect. Like pata nahi. I don't think this will ever fail, to be honest. Okay, this is what mapping file data string, mapping file data string. Yeah. What is this? Why is it not working yet? Are a local variable with the same name? Okay, that's not my concern. Mapping file data. Oh, sorry. Oh, this should be, my bad. This should be init mapping string. Yeah, this is fine. Now this should be mapping path file. My bad. Local value शायद. Yes. Sorry. मैंने गलती कर दी. Good. अब यहाँ पे क्या है? Cannot write into std.fs file. Items from trace can only be used if trait is in scope. Okay. So I don't think I have used IO stud IO. Right. I think that's what I'm missing. Yeah. Okay, cannot borrow as ये चाहिए क्या? Nice. Cool. This is done. I think I'm अरे any errors? No errors. Any errors? No errors. Okay, let's try to just build it again. This is done. Nice, it panicked. End of file while parsing a value, unable to deserialize. That is okay. I think it's mostly because अरे नहीं यार, आई थिंक इट्स वो विद टाइम आ जाता है यार. लाइक इट्स मोस्ट लाइकली कि अगर आप पर इतना जल्दी नहीं होगा. यार इट्स मोस्ट लाइकली लाइक इफ़ यू कीप डूइंग इट हो जाता है. लाइक मेरे से भी नहीं होता है, अभी भी काफ़ी चीज़ों में नहीं होता है. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि हाँ, बट अब आदत हो गई है कि इंट्यूशन आ जाता है. सो लाइक कुछ भी डीबग करना चाहो ना, तो एक ऐसा आइडिया रखो, उसको थोड़ा एरर को रीड करो, तो जितनी बार ही करोगे उतनी बार तुम्हें एक्सपीरियंस होगा. जैसे तुम काउंटर स्ट्राइक में हेडशॉट्स मारते हो ना, एंड आई डोंट गेट इट, हाउ डू यू डू दैट? इट्स जस्ट लाइक प्रैक्टिस. अभी ना एक चीज़ बहुत गलत हो रही है, डेटा राइट नहीं हो रहा है एंड आई एम काइंड ऑफ वरीड अबाउट इट, प्रोबेबली बिकॉज यहाँ पे आई वॉन्ट टू प्रिंट प्लीज व्हाट्स द मैपिंग डेटा आई एम गेटिंग. अच्छा, खेलना छोड़ दिया गया अभी ज़्यादा? क्यों भाई, टाइम नहीं मिलता? वीक, ओ वाह, वीक में एक बार. मैं आज आई थिंक काफ़ी टाइम बाद में जब भी खाना बनाता हूँ ना और खाना खा रहा होता हूँ, तो आई जस्ट ओपन कैजुअल और थोड़ा कैजुअल खेल लेता हूँ, थोड़ा टाइम पास हो जाता है. वो टायर्डनेस मेक सेंस यार. व्हाट भाई साहब, ये क्या राइट हो रहा है? इसने मेरी, ओ शिट, ओ आउच. So this data is being written to my main.rs file instead of tiredness. Okay, nice है. ऑफिस जाते हो क्या हिताची हर दिन? विंडोज 11 का टर्मिनल बेकार है. apparently it's open source by the way. So अगर I was hoping to read the source code one day. वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल रहा है परमानेंट. सो यू लिव विथ योर फैमिली क्या? लगता तो नहीं. अच्छा, तभी तुम धीरे बोलते हो यार. नाम तो इतना प्यारा है, स्वनंद संत. काम देखो संत वाले हैं नहीं इसके. हाँ, वेल, जस्ट किडिंग, बट नॉट पूरी तरीके से मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, कुछ पार्ट इसमें सच है. पुणे में ही हूँ. सो वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल रहा है बट पुणे में हो, मतलब ओके, आई सी. आज पक्का रस सीख के जाएंगे. हाय स्पर्श, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग यार. आई नो लास्ट टाइम यू केम एंड तुम ट्रैवल कर रहे थे, सो थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग. गाइस कोई फेवर करेगा, कोई बीच बीच में पाकिस्तान का स्कोर देख के मुझे बताता रहेगा. मेरी रात को नींद आधी डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट. ओके 200 फॉर 3. नाइस. दे काइंड ऑफ लूजिंग, दैट इज अ गुड न्यूज़. ओके, नो ऑफेंस बट आई लाइक. इंडिया जीते ना जीते उनको नहीं जीतने देना है. ओके. अरे मेरी सिस्टर का भी वर्क फ्रॉम होम है. कैसे बहाने भाई बहाने. गर्लफ्रेंड पुणे में होगी तो ही जस्ट सेइंग कि सिस्टर का भी वर्क फ्रॉम होम है तो दिक्कत होगी एंड ऑल. बट शर्म नहीं आती झूठ बोलते वक्त. मैपिंग पाथ फाइल करंट फाइल पाथ. ओके this is bad, right? So data dot, I think it got disconnected. I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. Sorry guys, sorry, I'm back. पता नहीं बीच में ये जाता रहता है. OBS is something going on either with the internet or probably I don't know. बट ऐसा चल क्या रहा है तुम लोगों का यार, मतलब स्पर्श अच्छा ऑफिस से घर आ रहे हो क्या? इज दैट व्हाट यू मीन बाय ट्रैवल? मैपिंग डेटा. ओके मैपिंग फाइल पाथ. This is fine. I don't find anything wrong with this. Where am I using current file path here? Ta mapping json dot get current file path dot copied. Where is it failing by the way? EOF file passing a 30th line. Data buffers db file path. Unable to read the db. Yeah, because that doesn't exist, right? That's empty. Oh, yeah, 0 is empty, right? So let me actually delete it again. I don't know why we are creating this as well right now. Yeah, initialize for file, right? This is fine. Can you do this again? Right, now it will panic because you got the index. Okay, this is fine. I can suffice with that. This is good stuff so far. Now there's one problem. What I need this mapping.json to be in is mapping file path. This should be self.folder path. घर से दोस्त के यहाँ, वैशाली से द्वारका, 21 more than 30 metro stations. Oh damn, are you in Delhi? तुम दिल्ली वाले हो क्या यार? I have no idea. Vaishali sounds like a very common place. मतलब ऐसा है कि it could be in Jaipur as well. I think वैशाली नगर है जयपुर में, and I think दिल्ली में भी होगा. But द्वारका and metro of course sounds more like Delhi, क्योंकि 30 metro stations तो I'm pretty sure कि जयपुर में होंगे. I guess जयपुर is still a decent metro city. मतलब metro वाली city, not like metro city. Cool. One thing that's going wrong over here is I am not getting the right file created. Mapping file path. Or if you're from Delhi, nice here. So Delhi wale ho. Yeah, folder path गलत pass हो रहा है. Why is that? Where are we even initializing the folder path? Folder path. Oh, I'm not giving it, so it's an empty. This is bad. Yeah, I need to fix this, right? So when you initialize, I want this to be a variable. Okay. When you do this, right? So here, this folder path should be what? Let's say. So how do you get the current folder path in Rust? Okay, just curious about this, right? So when I said, what did I say? When I passed this src/main.rs, right? So I would need the workspace path here, and that should define it, right? So that's what I will need. How do I do that? How do I get the current folder name? That's it, right? Because no, actually, you know what? Let's take that from the user. I don't think we should do it ourselves because, yeah, I think, okay, yeah, I should. Do they have? What does args contain यहाँ पे? क्या? Oh, sorry. Let's also take folder path. So the reason I'm saying this is right because I will always need the user to pass me the folder path that they want this to be stored in, right? And then they can always do this. What's wrong here, by the way? Oh, sorry. Folder path. Okay, this is it. db. Are Okay. Da 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 db new. What's wrong? Missing struct fields. Yeah, but I'm passing everything. Okay. Sorry. Okay, this is done, right? So now what I want, let's see. So if I do this, right, it's gonna say that you're missing folder path, which is good enough. Now what I want is I want to see, okay, sorry. What can I do is I can go back here and I can say folder path, or actually, you know what? You know what? They should be able to, okay, no, I can't do that. So what do I need here, right? That's my question. Like, I think just the folder name will be enough, which should be unique. But then you can't have it that easily. So you'll always need the workspace path. Okay, so I'm gonna do this for now. Okay, I'm gonna pass the whole path here just for the sake of. So this has to come from NeoVim plugin. So or a VS Code extension. So this is something I'll have to experiment. Yeah, as you can see, this works although. But let's delete the context pilot DB. Ouch. Yeah, this is fine. Cargo, not this one. Can I get this done? Now if I look at the DB, okay, it's still there. What's going wrong? Oh, maybe I'm not passing the folder path. What's the folder path I passed here? I passed the folder path. This is good. So when I initialized it, I got the folder path. Now what I want is the cell.folder path. This should be okay. All right. So this DB folder is this. Inside that, mapping file name is this. Create dir all. Mapping.json should not be here. This is bad. Yeah, I don't think I should have this, right? And when you're here, you're doing this and all. This is fine. This is fine. So where am I creating that folder? We are not creating the folder yet, right? So that's why maybe, I mean, this is why this could be happening, right? So let's just look at, so can you please print the mapping file path for me? Mapping file path. Da da da. Array. Okay. 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 I need to rm rf. Okay. Dot slash context array. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Is a directory? Yes, that's what I want. DB new 104. Where are you at? Why are you reading this? I don't think I believe I deleted that file, right? Why are we doing this? SRC, this is a 104 mapping file path. What is mapping file path here? Folder path and mapping file name. Oh, okay, okay. I never created this. Okay, okay, sorry. This should be mapping.json. Okay. You want me to do this? Yeah. Cargo build rmrf dot target release. Yeah, there you go. So this time, yeah, this is going wrong, right? Because even though I passed the folder path, it never got in there. Why is that? That's something I'm very curious about. So what's the folder path? Let's look at the folder path as well. Okay, how about this? So I think I printed a mapping file path. Definitely folder path is not getting saved because we are not cell.folder path. Yeah, this is where I'm doing it wrong. Yeah. No, this should not be the case, right? So this folder path, this should be the main folder path, right? I don't want this uh, to be used as, yeah, this is not good. This is not good. But wait a minute. Home.join db folder. Config db folder. What is this config db folder, by the way? Yeah, this is context palette db, right? So, and I should have plus self.folder path here, right? Can't I append like this? Oh yeah, cannot be used. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. What's your problem, sir? Okay, so what we need to do here is we then modify the cell.folder path so that, no, now we should not do this. We should do, uh, we should just reuse this here, right? Main folder path star to string, and over here as well. I think I can do main folder path. And over here, let main folder path equal to cell.folder path. Wait a minute. If let, I want this to raise an error as well. Eprintln. Okay. I want this to return as well. Right. And over here, I can have let main folder path initialize by this. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Right. What's the problem? Why is it never read? This is all good. This is all good. Do I have any errors? Just warnings, right? Yeah. How about this? RMRF cargo build release target. Yeah, there you go. Okay, this time it's wrong. Because you got the whole path and you should actually create a mapping. This is tricky. So what would I want is always a, yeah, we need to have a project name that is unique. If any project name that is, but if any user has it already, in that case we'll have to consider both, right? We'll give them IDs. Project 0 and project 1. Maybe that's something we can do. What do you guys think? So I'm just considering the case where you have multiple, okay, copies of this. Hmm. Okay. All right. So I'm thinking about this. For now, we will consider that we don't have such a case. In that case, what I can do is I can take just the last element. Yeah, let's just get rid of this folder path as a whole for now. Okay. So whenever I will pass, whenever I will pass this here. Array. Okay. Yeah. So this I will pass, right? Yeah. No such file or directory. Mapping file path. Yes. Now what I need is this mapping file path should not be this cell.folder path, just this. But I also want this to be, this should be combined, right? I think that's okay. Yeah, that's what I can do here, right? So I don't need main folder path. Cell.folder path I can do. Cell.folder path I can do here as well, right? So that means we have kind of modified this, and okay, sir. And what I want is something over here. This should be fine now because we have modified it. Yeah, let's take a look at this now. There you go. Okay, wait a minute. Sorry, my bad. For the wait a minute. Okay, my bad, my bad. When we are adding, to be honest, we should not do this. This is something I don't like. So let's use format and let's do this. Uh, config db folder to owned. No, I don't need to own folder path, right? Okay. Na 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 na. Na. Okay. Will you work, sir? Cargo build. Nice, guys. Congratulations. This is going in the right direction. So I think okay. Alright, so now let me play some songs because I'm starting to get depressed. I mean, not really depressed, but very tired. Okay, cool. We are almost there. Let's just look at the. Wait a minute. Will this work? Yeah, now I just need to fix this, right? 30. So this data buffers.star db file path serve.folder path dot index. Yeah, this we need to fix. Context palette db context palette rs 0. Yeah, this is empty right now, right? That's why it's there. Okay, that's awesome. Cool. Not an issue. Okay. All right. Awesome, guys. This is amazing. Okay. So what we have done is we want the 0 file to be created, which has happened. Only thing that I would like is, so you get find index, right? Whenever you call it db file index, and I think this should be .json, right? And doesn't exist. You have current data. Okay. But I would also like, okay, this, okay, wait a minute. Okay, you should not get a valid index in that case, right? We should not return anything. Okay, yeah, we should return none, yeah. Yeah, got it. Alright. Something like this. Yeah, I don't want to return none. Okay. Yeah. Now what we should do is we should try calling this again. Awesome. Right, so it's just not failing anymore. The reason it's not failing anymore is because we're not just going through it, right? So in a DB over here, so over here, yeah, we are just creating this, right? So empty. Yeah, I can just prove this to you here. Let's cargo build and let me run this again. Yeah. Oh, wait, what? Couldn't find the DB file, current data. This sum value index, it should have reached here, right? Array. Initialize a file. What's going on? What's the value index? Index found. What's happening? Index font sum 0. Why? I'm returning. Oh, mapping file exists. Oh, that's one. Okay, okay. Cool, cool, cool. Makes sense. Yeah. Okay, now it will work, right? Yeah, empty. Cool. This is working now. So let me just get rid of these println functions. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. I think we are reaching to a point where we have more understanding of what we want to do. Slowly reaching to a point where this will start looking more beautiful and also usable. Cool. Okay. This is done. Awesome, guys. That's it, I guess. I don't know how long has it been since I've been streaming, but I'm pretty tired. So I guess I will see you another time. Thank you so much. It was 61 minutes, so probably an hour stream. Thank you so much for staying with me. Appreciate it. Take care, everyone. Thank you so much. Hope you have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll try to come tomorrow as well. If you're new to the stream, please make sure to like this content. And thank you so much. Bye bye. This was Kushash Shrimali. Ta 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 ta. Bye.